In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an app from your Whop. Removing apps you no longer use is a great way to keep your workspace clean, reduce distractions, and avoid unnecessary confusion for your team or your customers. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process, step by step, so you can confidently uninstall any app from your Whop business account. First, make sure you're signed into your Whop business account in your browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to your business home dashboard. This is usually the main screen you see after signing in, where you can manage your products, apps, and settings. If you're not on that page yet, look for an option like Home or Dashboard in the main navigation and click that. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right workspace, especially if you manage more than one business under your account. On the Home dashboard, you'll see a list or grid of the apps currently connected to your Whop. Find the app you'd like to remove. It can help to double check the name and icon before proceeding, just to make sure you're uninstalling the correct one, especially if you have several apps that look similar. Now, hover your mouse over that app. When you hover, you should see a small menu icon appear, typically represented by 3 vertical dots or 3 horizontal dots. This is the More Options menu. Move your cursor over to those 3 dots and click on them. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few different actions you can take for this app. In that menu, look for the option labeled Uninstall App and click it. At this point, Whop will usually show you a confirmation window. This is to make sure you really do want to remove that app and that you didn't click the uninstall option by accident. It's a good idea to pause here and think about whether you still need any features, data, or integrations that depend on this app. If you're sure you want to proceed, go ahead and click on Uninstall in the confirmation pop-up. After a moment, the app will be removed from your Whop dashboard. You should no longer see it listed among your active apps. And that's it. You've successfully removed an app from your Whop.